Hello and welcome to our tutorial on optimally integrating Google Fonts with Next.js using the Next Google Fonts package. Let's dive in. The first step is to install the required package. Open up your terminal and run the command npm install at Next Font Google. This will add the package to your Next.js project, which is designed to help you efficiently load Google Fonts. With the package installed, the next step is to set up the custom document file. In Next.js, the _document.js file serves as an entry point for the HTML document that is sent from the server. If you don't have this file in your project yet, create one inside the Pages directory. In your _document.js file, you'll import the necessary components from the Next document module along with the Google Font component from the Next Font Google package. Then, extend the document class and override the render method. Inside the render method, return the basic document structure and include the Google Font component in the head section. The href prop should point to your chosen Google Fonts CSS URL. This setup ensures that the font is only included once and preloaded efficiently. Once your document is configured to include the Google Font, you'll want to make sure it's being used throughout your app. This brings us to step 3, where you can apply the font to your application's styling. If you're using global CSS, you can simply create or modify your styles, such as in Styles, Global CSS. Set the font family property to Roboto, or whatever font you've chosen, ensuring it falls back to a default sans serif font if necessary. This will apply the Google Font to your entire app. Alternatively, if you're using CSS in JS solutions like Styled.jsx or Emotion, you can incorporate the font directly into your components. Here's an example using Styled.jsx where we wrap the font family declaration in a style tag with the JSX attribute. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Google Fonts into your Next.js application using the Next Google Fonts package for optimal loading and performance. This setup minimizes the impact on your app's load time and avoids any flickering of text styles when the font loads. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!